How to check if someone read your text messages in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check if someone read your text message in WhatsApp. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Let's begin now. So first steps first, open up your WhatsApp. Then you can head over to any chat or group. So let's head over here. And if I send a message in a group or any chat, you'll see first there is a single tick. That means that the message has been sent. So after the message has been sent, you can see it then gets delivered. That means that the recipient is also connected to the Wi-Fi and the message has already been delivered there, but they have not seen it. Now, when someone has finally read your message in WhatsApp, it should look something like this. Just observe the ticks and you'll see two blue ticks right here. So if you can see on the video right here that there are two ticks with blue mark. That means that the message has already been seen or read. So if you just swipe left on that, you can see that they also give you when it was seen or read. So you can see the time and the date as well. And that's how you can check if someone has read your messages on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.